I visited the most beautiful city, Himachal Pradesh, and I also trekked to Kheer Ganga, and it was a lot of fun.
Vishwas, say hi.
Hi.
Akshay, say hi. Samiksha, say hi.
Hi.
You guys also say hi. Dimosh, say hi. Bhupinder, that's our organizer. Say hi. Day? What day is it?
Day 2.
Day 2 in Kasur. And day 5th in the north. Day 5th, right? So I'm wearing like so many layers today. Yesterday also I took a shower and I thought it would be fine, but यहाँ पे ना पानी गर्म ही नहीं होता है. So I don't know, and then it became really cold. I had my breakfast. Now we are headed to Kheer Ganga. It's like a trek. So यहाँ से we are going to go to that place, and that will be a 2-hour drive. और उधर से we will start the trek, which is kind of tough because it's 12 kilometers. And yesterday the one that we had was just 2 kilometers. So the last night, this person, the spokesperson, he was telling us everything about the place and how it's going to be, and it's going to be really, really cold. So I'm wearing like 4 layers today, which is like the maximum layers that I've worn on this trip. This is such a good purchase. Like I'm so happy that I got this. Otherwise, oh my god, this entire trip I would have cribbed and cried. I got those gloves, and I also got these boots which are like snow boots, and these are the gloves which are water resistant or waterproof. I think they're waterproof. There is going to be a lot of snow, and I'm just like mentally preparing myself. I think with Thandi and all these places, it's just like you have to be mentally prepared, because if you focus on like, oh, Thandi hai, then it will just like, you'll always feel like there's Thandi. So yeah, I'm just preparing myself mentally. But yeah, I'm super excited. This will be my first time in snow, experiencing snow. So I'm super excited, and yeah, let's go. We just checked out, all our bags are right there, and we are just carrying one rucksack. So we'll go do the trek, stay there for a night, come back tomorrow, get our bags, and probably go to Manali. I'm not too sure kal ka kya plan hai, but yeah, that's how my day 2 is going to look like.
लिसन केयरफुली।
तो ये भरशेनी है, अभी अपन कसौल से भरशेनी आए। ओके, ये एक कलगा विलेज है। ओके, दिस इज कलगा विलेज। कलगा
You
कुलगा।
ओके,
यहाँ पे मोस्टली सारे फॉरेनर होते हैं, होम स्टे टाइप चीज़ है। ये थोड़ा सा कमर्शियल है, बट ये दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, मतलब स्टे करना चाहिए यहाँ पे एक बार। और खीर गंगा उस तरफ है। खीर गंगा के बेसिकली दो रूट्स हैं, एक कलगा के होते हुए जाता है, एक नगठान गांव से जाता है। ठीक है, हम नगठान वाली साइड से जा रहे हैं। ओके, और इस तरफ तोश है ना। अभी अपन ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, लाइक मैनी ऑफ यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम ना। जब भी कोई थकान हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, तो फिंगर्स को लाइक लेग से जोड़, फिंगर्स है ना पैरों की ऐसे ऐसे करना, जिससे ब्लड फ्लो होता है। ठीक है, डिहाइड्रेशन के लिए बीच बीच में पानी लगे, सिप सिप।
So we are headed to Kheer Ganga. So this is where we are starting off, and Ganpati Bappa
Moria!
Yeah, that's how we start, right? Shubharam. I feel like I shouldn't have bought my shoes, but that's okay.
उधर मिल रही थी।
Also, this you have to get it for like 30 rupees. Okay, as I told you guys that I was like wearing so many layers, I had to take it off because, oh my god, it started getting really hot. But yeah, I'm like halfway there, not halfway there. अभी काफ़ी दूर है. We must have walked like 2 kilometers or something like that, or 3 kilometers, and I'm already so tired. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, guys, what village is this? Nathan. So this is like the last village. हम कहाँ थे? We कितना चढ़े हम? 3 kilometers? Yeah, 3 kilometers, and I couldn't breathe. But if you want, you can definitely come. अच्छा, okay, you should definitely come and contact this guy. Yeah, that guy.
No, I mean like we can like this is commercialized. Khirganga is very commercialized. Like सबसे ज़्यादा 309 Khirganga 2 treks हैं हिमाचल में सबसे ज़्यादा commercialized. We can like go for much more offbeat treks also.
Yeah, if you're interested, contact that guy.
If you are
And,
interested in getting peace of
And this guy is a waiter right here. What do you guys want?
दादा मैगी खाना
Yeah, please. One Maggie.
मैगी
And chai. Oh my god. Also make sure you're carrying a sunscreen. Otherwise,
मैगी
I'm already, I feel so tired.
मैगी ब्रो
But whatever. So this is what we have ordered. So there's Maggie and chai, and that is our view. So beautiful. Oh my god. So gorgeous. ऐसा नहीं आ रहा है, बट ले लो चलो. Bro, get.
कुछ चलना है वो खाने में ध्यान है उसका.
चलो चलो चलो, बहुत हो गया. He's not doing that. बोलता poop. He's not pooping. बस करूँगा.
स्कूल भी वैशाली में जहाँ से आप आज चल के आए हो ना. आपका वो पैकेज ही खुला है.
Guys, we are here. What time is it?
It's 4:30.
Okay, it took us 4.5 hours to come up here, and this is the place that we are staying at. This is the Khirganga base camp, and we still haven't gone to Khirganga. I don't know कहाँ पे जाना है, वहाँ पे शायद. Yeah, we have to go.
There's a plateau there.
Yeah, there's a plateau, and we are supposed to go there. So tomorrow we might go there. We just have an hour here, and the temperature, they were saying that the temperature drops to like minus 15 degrees, but that's okay because you know when I bought this, that guy told me that this will keep me warm till minus 15 degrees. So I'm like fine. I can't feel my ears and my hands, but it's okay. So this guy, so there was this guy, and he actually brought our luggage up here. So he charged 400 rupees per bag. Just putting it out there so you guys know, and that's how we got our luggage here. अच्छा है ना?
बना ले और सुबह डाल दे. बाकी खाना कौन सा लगे? चले.
Oh, it's
टेस्ट बहुत अलग होता है थोड़ा.
डालने का कॉल जो है ना.
है ना?
it's very ठंडा.
Okay. Okay. Hi guys, so right now we are going to Rudranag waterfall. So it's called Rudranag because the waterfall looks like a nag, so that's how it's named. And another story that I just got to know, so there are these hot springs right here. So the story behind that is like kahan se garam pani aata hai. So the scientific reason behind it is you know, there are like minerals around that area. So and जब water टकराता है with those stones, H2SO4 बनता है. So that is like sulfur, so it's acidic, so that is why it's hot. And the mythological belief, or what people say, is Shiv Bhagwan meditated there for 3000 years, and when he opened his eyes, this land became so beautiful. So he named, so this valley is called as Parvati Valley because he found this as beautiful as his wife, which is so cool. And the another thing, so there's another thing called as Manikaran Valley or like Manikaran. So why is it called Manikaran is because there's this one time when Parvati lost her money. You want to tell? तो आप बताइए
किस चीज़ की स्टोरी?
मणिकरण में आधा बता चुकी हूँ कि मनी घूम गया था एंड
जब मनी घूम गया था तो शिव जी गुस्सा हो गए थे और शिव जी को ये था कि मतलब फिर वो तांडव करने लगे थे। तो जब शिव जी तांडव करते हैं तो पूरी दुनिया हिलने लग जाती है, राइट, नष्ट होती है। तो उसको बचाने के लिए इंद्रदेव जी ने और वो जो उनके नाग होते हैं, नागदेव जी है, उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, ढूंढते हैं। तो उनको पता लगा उधर होगी, नहीं मतलब किधर होगी, तो उन्होंने मतलब उसको इवेपोरेट करा। हाँ, लाइक दे जस्ट पता नहीं क्या शायद कुछ डाला होगा अपने पॉइजन से शायद या फिर ऐसा कुछ। तो जब पानी इवेपोरेट हो गया तो मणि दिखी, तो मणि ले गई।
और खीरगंगा
का ये है कि कार्तिक जी है ना, जो उनके बेटे, वो उनके लिए पार्वती जी जो है खीर बनाती थी, है ना। तो वो खीर मतलब वो लोग यहीं पे रहते थे, जब उनसे मिलने आते थे तो खीर लेके आते थे, तो खीर देते थे। तो वो है ना, खीर थोड़ी सी गिर गई थी नदी में, तो इसलिए यहाँ का जो कलर है इसके वाटर का थोड़ा ग्रेइश है, खीर जैसा कलर है।
ओह, so cool ना these stories, like all these mythological beliefs and stories. Guys, look at the waterfall. नाक के पता नहीं वैसे लग रहा है या नहीं नाक जैसा, but also my first time seeing the snow. I still haven't touched it, but it's so pretty.